Welcome back, viewers. Today I have brought an other video which is part of the previous video. It's basically video number 2, which will be focusing on the remaining single line diagram which we covered. First step we covered in the first video, and the remaining portion we will try to cover it in this second video. So basically this is a second video for the electrical substation construction concepts, which is intended to be beneficial for the students and engineers who are in the construction field of the substations, power plants, mainly focusing on the gas insulated substations. So let us move to the contents of this video. In this video, we will be introducing to 110 kV by 13.8 kV substation GIS and operational single line diagram, the remaining portion. In this, we will be discussing about the MV switchgear type and components, their equipment and detail arrangement like we covered in the GIS, built-in protection and control, transformer basics. Here we will see what are the main characteristics of the transformers, power transformers, station service transformers, their usage, and the capacitor banks, in the role of the capacitor bank in the substations. Last time we covered up to this line, which was covering the GIS 110 kV voltage level. From now onwards, let me give you a brief overall picture of the substation. Here you will see 3 boxes here. These 3 boxes are actually showing the power transformer. This power transformer is a step down transformer, which is stepping down from 110 kV voltage to 13.8 kV medium voltage. These 3 transformers are typical. Each transformer is fed through the cables from GIS to its primary bushing. These cables are XLP cables, as we discussed last time. Similarly, all these 3 transformers are connected through the cables. You can read the details of these cables by a little bit zooming in. We will go into the detail. The secondary of this transformer is again feeding to the another switchgear voltage level, which is medium voltage 13.8 kV. So the transformer feeder from GIS is an input to the transformer, and this incomer feeder to the 13.8 kV bus is a incomer feeder for the 13.8 kV bus. So here you can see one output from one transformer, like here. This bus is divided into 3 bus sections. This section A, section B, and section C. So we will go into the detail for transformers, incomers, switchgears, and in the next step you can see there are 2 station service transformers. One is connected with the bus section A, one is connected with the bus section C, and 3 capacitor banks, 1, 2, and 3. The station service transformers are used to give the auxiliary supply to run the AC-DC system, HVAC, electromechanical system, firefighting systems, to give the supply locally to the substation to running its auxiliary systems, protection systems, and control systems. Capacitor banks, as you know, this is used for the power factor improvement. So it is for each bus section, it is installed, and the ratings and these things are discussed in the next slide.